Beautiful.
So from janitor to ring swapper, baby.
Shit. Dreams do come true.
A little thing right there.
It's a throwdown.
Oh yeah, no, fuck off. Nah, that was better.
Okay, throw this one on.
This is a, what'd you say it was? 315?
What?
This rear end?
325.
325.
350.
From a 350 to 325.
Oh boy.
I'll run that bitch out the back door.
Shit, trying to go 300 miles an hour.
300.
Always less than $1.
Go take a test hit. Now you're welding shit. Are you gonna go to the track with us?
Yeah. Hey, bro. He
What?
called me. He said he was gonna go testing. I said I'll be right there.
He's probably like right there in the spot.
Tell me where you want it.
That looks pretty straight.
Baron, what do you think?
Looks good from here, man.
Right.
Looks good?
Yeah. Here at Speedlab Corporation, we do everything to perfection. I got it. I would 100% look it up just to be safe. We're already here. See right here?
Yeah.
You got to check the clearance from the sensor to the pickup. The pickup ring right here on the outside. Go through?
Collar, it's a collar setup. No, it picks up steel. 25?
2,000.
Off by 2,000.
Yeah, no, it doesn't have magnets. It's one of
Yeah,
those.
Brian said 27.
It's one of those,
2,000 off. 27?
Why?
25.
I usually round up.
So 30.
Yeah.
You got it.
What? Oh, now he's talking to Kenny. Having a conversation.
Oh, that's it. We're not going to the track.
Man, Kenny's at the track right now.
Oh, is he really?
I think so, yeah.
All right, here we go. Here's 25,000.
Oh, now I can see.
The first
See
one
now?
is the one that has the gap. So remember the blow up?
Here's tight. There we go. So tighten
right
that. Yeah, where's the wrench? It's a little snug.
I got you.
All right, done deal. See that?
Okay.
Perfect.
Alright,
See that?
are you
He's
going
good,
to-
man.
Snug the backup nut up.
Okay, I got everything on.
You probably run it from this side around. You have another stud I could screw on this side.
think you
and
might be
could
right,
have it
Brian.
tied out the way, like this. Oh, well, if he's gonna run it that way, we're good.
Yeah, I
But if
think. Did you hear me earlier, Ben?
What'd you say?
We're 0.2 of a second away from the world record
Damn.
on low boost. Not even trying.
Damn, dude. Fast.
Yeah, I ordered the smaller pulley. It got in already, and then I sent the coilovers off the rears to get revalved, and I think we'll be all right.
You see that real fast Corvette over there?
He's cool though. He does badass work. I love his work. Right through the top, right through the stud holes, zip tied it. Just gotta cut our loops right here. This will travel with that.
Oh, man.
Let it go.
Man, this guy used to sweep floors. Look at him now.
Sheesh. Used to start it from the bottom, now we're here. Hey, dude, I used to do this shit all year long with Finney.
What? Fuck up cars?
You good, Jose?
Yeah, just fucking little hole in it.
I caught it. Hey, wait till you see the new twin turbo kit he's doing for my car.
What car?
My C7, my orange one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we made 1800 before, but it wasn't enough. Not for the street. You see this little ground wire
I
right
see
here?
that little ground wire.
We're gonna put this little guy right there. It's a nice little hole for it. What? The pipe?
Yeah, the actual tube
Uh-huh.
didn't have a hole in it, so it fucking blew out.
It blew out or you blew it out? Dude, hey, sometimes it feels good to just lay down here, bro. Just lay down here and ponder life, you know?
Yeah.
I do that all the time. Good time to just waste time.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta do it, bro. What's everybody doing on a Sunday? You know?
Nothing.
Hey, some taco sounds. Hey, you know what sounds good actually? Oh no, you weren't with us last time we got them. We brought you one. Them shakes. Hey, them shakes with that glizzy sounded good. From that one place. What the fuck is that place called?
¿Qué pasó, hijo?
¿Qué pasó, pa. Sí.
That spot right behind where that truck is lit up with the ambers, and then all the way back there in the back. That's probably the best you got.
I'll probably go all the way back there.
All right.